guys what just happened. My memory card got full. Then I had to delete everything what I was recording before. So it was sad. So to recap everything, I was trying to go towards viewpoint just now, but it looked like it's gonna rain there, so I decided not to go. So instead I came here to this place. It's nearby palace, so just over here, just sitting here chilling. So I'm gonna post something on Instagram. I'll see you guys in a while. So as I was talking in the last vlog that I was going to show you guys what I have inside my bag. This is the Rynox 3.0 tank bag. It's around 2000 rupees, I think. I don't remember the price, but you can check it on Rynox website. And I actually bought it from Wheeler's Hub. Got it for around 1,999. That's around 2000 rupees. And this is a 15-liter bag. It's called the Rynox Navigator. It's a 3.0 Navigator, I think. I am not sure about that, but if you guys check it online, then you might know which version is this. This is actually a tank bag. I've just converted it into a tail bag with this strap, which I strap it by removing the rear seat. And I carry a lot of stuff, so let's start with the side pockets. So on the side pocket I have two small bottle of sanitizer and an eraser. Yeah, that's an eraser. Don't ask me why I carry that. And then there's my garage keys for the bike. And then the other side are my GoPro batteries, 4 of them. And this one I've just locked it because I have this box sticker. So it's a Bikers United Group of Sikkim. And the main compartment consists of, look at that, a power bank, my phone or charging wire, and then this is for my Scala Rider, charging Scala Rider, and then extra 32 an extra 32 GB SD card. And then there's a small rack for my bike. There's the water bottle, that's the rain pant, extra rain gloves, Merpos, and what else? So there's my, check this out, let me show you guys. And this is the rain jacket, and underneath is the rain cover for the tank black slash cable bag. So that's about it. So let me put this back. So this is closed. Let's close this back. Okay. So and then this part is for hanging your gloves. If you ever use it, that is. I never use it, so I'm just going to show you guys how it's done. You just pull this out and then insert this inside out here like this. So this is my bike. It's a Kawasaki Z900. With the Akrapovic exhaust. But the sky looks really good here. Look at that. It's all sunny. The sky is blue. Oh yeah, and the boots. They fit in very comfortable now. Yeah, getting used to it. And the weather is starting to change. Yeah, it's kind of getting. I'm kind of getting a sense that it might rain. I am not sure. it might not. Look at this. Sunny on this side, rainy on the other side. Is it recording? Yeah. Look at that. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do give a like to this video. And see you in the next one. Rain, rain, go away.